Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Timecard Checker on your Android devices. The first step is going to be for us to access the Google Play Store, like right here. And once in here, we're going to look for Timecard GPS. Once we find the application, we're going to click on Install. So let's just wait for the application to be installed. Here, we will need to allow these options. Remember that the device ID and password it's going to be provided by your administrator. In my case, I'm going to use these credentials right here. Then we're going to click on login. There's that disclaimer. This is in regards to the GPS tracking. So let's click OK. Okay, using the app. Now, at this point, the only user that we have on the application is going to be what we call the main checker. Remember that the checker users can be added either from the application right here or from the account by your administrators. If they are added via the backend system, they'll be ready to clock in using their PIN code. But in this case, I'm going to show you how to add users from the application itself. So we're going to click on the plus sign on the top right corner. Now we need to enter the credentials for the user that we are going to add. So in this case, I'm going to take this user. Now the password, then login. Okay, so at this moment it says setup incomplete because we need to create a PIN code for this user. So let's click on it, type the password. This is the PIN code I'm going to be using. Remember that we need at least 4 digits. And at this point, the profile is ready to clock in and out. Before we do that, let me just show you a couple of settings that you can enable on the main checker profile. So I'm going to click on it. The application is going to ask me for the password and a PIN code for this user. Remember, the password comes from the organization. The PIN code, you can create it as you like. So here, let's go ahead and access the main checker profile with the PIN code that we just created. Here we are. Now we are going to click on menu and then here on the gear icon. So from here, we can click on checker configuration. And if you want the guys to be able to change task using the checker app, we can change this to yes. Now let's go back again. We can click on exit. And now the users can go ahead and clock in by using their PIN code. Let me show you very quickly in case you need to remove users from the app. You can click on the main checker profile, enter the PIN code you just created, go to manage checker users. At this moment, I only have this one, so I'm going to click on it, the trash can, delete, and as you can see, the user is gone. So this is how we can install and set up Timecard Checker on Android devices. Thank you.